In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL in Blogger, which is a handy skill to have whether you're fixing broken links, changing post URLs, or moving your blog entirely. It's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it, and I'll guide you through a simple, no-code method using Blogger's built-in custom redirects feature. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Blogger dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to select the blog that you're looking to make changes to. If you have multiple blogs, just make sure you're working on the correct one, as this ensures that you won't make unintended changes elsewhere. Next, you'll go into the Settings area. This section is where you'll find numerous options to customize your blog, including redirects, which we're focusing on today. Keep scrolling down until you spot the Errors and Redirects section. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Custom Redirects. This is exactly what we need, so go ahead and click on it. Now, you're going to want to click Add to set up a new redirect. A simple window will pop up, asking you for a few details. Here's the crucial part. You'll fill in the From field with the old path. For example, if you're redirecting from an old post, you might enter something like old post HTML. In the To field, input the new path where you want users to end up. This could be new post HTML, for example. Essentially, this aligns the path users are trying to access with the new correct location of your content. An important decision here is whether this change is permanent or temporary. If you're confident that this is a permanent change, just check the box for Permanent 301. Choosing a 301 redirect is best for SEO optimization because it tells search engines that the content has moved permanently and that they should index the new location. On the other hand, if this change is just temporary, you can leave this box unchecked, defaulting to a 302 redirect. Finally, don't forget to hit Save to activate this redirect. Saving locks in all your hard work, ensuring that visitors who try to access the old URL are smoothly guided to the new one. This can be particularly useful when you've changed a post's permalink or removed old, outdated posts that are no longer needed. And there you have it. Using Blogger's custom redirects is perhaps the simplest and safest way to manage URL changes within your blog without needing any coding experience. Keeping these links tidy not only enhances your blog's usability, but also helps maintain its search engine ranking. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.